Welcome to the channel, welcome back if you're not new. So today, end goal will be to install the seats in the buggy. For those who don't know, I'm building a Badland buggy ST4 powered by a Yamaha R1 2006 engine, which was ported and polished over 200 wheel horsepower on the engine. That should be a fun little toy to play around. So let's not waste any more time, let's get to it. Here goes. So this is the current state. So we have the main base of the buggy already built. Sorry about that. Kind of really crammed, like I already said. Everything came up really nice. I think if you look at all my cuts, I took all the time, make sure everything came up really nice. There's no big gaps nowhere. Everything is tight fit, and this is how I like it to be. And this is only the main reason, guys. Less you have to fill in my head, the cleaner it is. The initial first step that we did was make some marks over here where one rail is gonna go over here. This is the L bracket. As you guys can see over here, it's an L shape, 1.5 by 1.5. I will be installing one piece over here that's gonna go back and forth, and another one at this height over here, back and forth. The same thing is a mirror, opposite side. Sorry about that. This is my plug that I plug myself into the wire so I can plug in my welder and go from there. So here we go, get the thing set up and we'll catch you guys soon. So we do have some marks completed. Nothing fancy, everything is marked down, and now we'll go ahead and cut the pipes to length. Perfect. So now that the parts are cut, time to clean them, burr them, make sure they're nice and clean on the inexpensive machine. Finishing cutting and trimming the pieces, so I got one side done. Time to measure the second piece. Here we go again. 22.5. 11 inches. So now let's try. I like to keep it like at least an inch away from the edge. So that'll give me like, and then we take our Pro Point white marker pen. And what we're gonna do, there's 11 inches in between. So I'm gonna go from the edge. And we're gonna mark at 1 inch. Oh. And we're gonna mark at 12 inches. There we go. We're gonna do the same thing for the other ones. Oh. So 1 inch.
I sat for too long.
12 inch. 1 inch. 12 inch. 1 inch. 12 inch. There we go. Ooh.
I sat for too long.
Is it?
Yeah, like backwards.
For those who don't know, that's the mechanic. The brain behind it. Go. Let's fits. There we go.
Come on, my puppe.
When it's done. Once it's done, as you can see, there's plenty of travel. I can go forward on the track. I can go a lot of forward. I can go a lot of backwards. So perfect. Now time for the second one. So that's it, guys. That's the only thing I got for you guys for today. Next phase, we'll start bracing the frame, strengthening it up. Hopefully the tube bender will be here by then and we'll be able to start bending some tubes. So till then, be safe, God bless, enjoy and have fun.